Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with Commodity Consulting with some commodity comments for Wednesday. It's about 10 after 3. Market's pretty muted today. We tried to build some upside momentum, but that really didn't happen. We basically, I guess the technical term is the market's consolidated, and that's an okay thing. We had some pretty good gains this week or so far, and certainly coming into this month, we had some pretty good gains, and the market's just trying to hold on to those. Interestingly, new crop December cotton really knocking on 7,900. If we could close over that, then the next target is the magical 80 cents. So I guess I still think we could try the 80-cent mark and see what's up there. We just need to keep in mind that this is the seasonal time of year. This stuff tends to try to go higher. It's not always successful, but it wants to do that. And so that's why producers should take advantage of these higher prices and cash price, some of their commodities as the market graduates higher. You always want to sell into the strength of a market when hedging. You don't want to wait for the thing to peak and roll over and fall back down, and then 12 cents later you realize, oh my Lord, I should have priced that cotton. So you need to have some orders in ahead of the market. That always tends to help. I'm sure there'll be a lot of selling at 80 cents and 81 cents, but we may certainly try those and get a little higher. We'll just have to see. Tomorrow we get exports. Last week's exports really weren't all that spiffy, but the market still handled it pretty well as we recall. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Over in the grains today, the wheat market, which has been on something of a tear, sort of retreated because the Russians haven't really flashed too much more military hardware in the Ukraine, but nonetheless, wheat finished basically unchanged. In it too, we need to see some action over in the export market tomorrow to sort of juke the market higher. Cash basis is picking up in some areas, and we're still uncertain as to what the winter wheat kill situation is eventually going to be. We do have a supply-demand number out on Monday, so we'll see what that holds for us. Over in the corn today, corn was like children on the playground. It was on the seesaw. It was up and down and up and down. Finally, we finished virtually unchanged, and that's a little worrisome. Corn is has rallied up here, and with at least down here in the South, with a good basis, you can sell $5 corn now, and that is certainly tempting to do. But we're going to see what the exports are tomorrow and see if they can rally the corn market anymore. And of course, soybeans very strong. They've been strong. They were basically unchanged today, and we're going to continue to see how they trade. So if any questions or comments, of course, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.